We've prepared a little experiment today to try to demonstrate a moment of force and what exactly it is. And mathematically, a moment of force is defined as the force times the distance perpendicular which it is applied over. Alright, so for our experiment, we've got this bolt here, and we want to know if we apply a force of 60 pounds over this 4-inch or 0.33 foot wrench, how tight this bolt will be, because in this instance, moment is a value of the tightness of this bolt. So 60 pounds applied over 0.33 feet gives us a moment of force of 20 foot-pounds clockwise, or negative 20 foot-pounds, because clockwise is considered the negative direction. When I put this wrench on here, I'm going to put it in a vertical direction because our force is over the distance perpendicular, excuse me. So when I apply a 60-pound perpendicular force in the clockwise direction, I tighten this bolt to a moment of force of 20 foot-pounds.
Alright, when we increased the length of the wrench, we decreased the amount of force that it takes to loosen the bolt. So this is a half-foot wrench, which means we're going to apply 40 pounds of pressure in the counterclockwise direction, which is going to give us a moment of force of 20 foot-pounds to loosen the bolt.
So now if we apply a 60-pound force over the longer wrench distance of half a foot, we end up with a moment of 30 foot-pounds compared to the 20 that we got earlier.
Alright, so when we go back to our shorter wrench of 4 inches or 0.33 feet, it takes a lot more of a horizontal force to achieve that 30 foot-pound moment of force in the counterclockwise direction. We're going to need to loosen this bolt. But when you put the shorter wrench and apply much greater force, you're able to loosen the bolt that was tightened with the longer wrench. So to kind of sum it all up, moment of force is, for this example, is a value of the tightness of this bolt, or a value of how much force needs to be applied over a distance to cause a rotation or a twist, in this case to loosen or tighten this bolt. And what we've tried to demonstrate here is that when you apply the same force over a greater distance, you're able to achieve a greater moment of force. Likewise, when you apply less force over greater distance, you're also able to achieve that greater moment of force. So I hope this kind of helped y'all visualize what a moment of force is and what exactly it means, and relate it to something you may run across of a little bit more common. We appreciate it.